I think that today a smile is a definite fashion accessory. It's not enough to have great makeup or great hair or wear a great necklace. You have to have a great smile. We get a lot of referrals from modeling agencies as well as managers and agents for actors. We treat people that are famous. We treat secretaries or taxi cab drivers. It doesn't really matter what they do for a living. You hear story after story where people will say to you, when they laugh, they cover their mouth because they're embarrassed about what their teeth look like. So when you're recreating somebody's smile, most of these people have an expectation that we can actually meet, because the difference between the before and the after is always so great. I think one of the biggest thrills for me in my career is when I fix someone's teeth and then I see them on television or in film. I worked on Chris Rock, and I just saw him the other day on the Oprah show, and he was talking to her about how much he loved to smile. And I was so proud that I was the one that did his smile. When a patient comes to us, they very often bring photographs of models or actors or cover girls, and they say, I want a smile like this, or I want teeth like this. And we have to tell them that a lot of what we do depends on the shape of your face, how wide your smile is, the color of your skin, the color of your hair, just the way you talk when you're laughing or speaking. There is no such thing as a perfect smile. What's perfect on one person is not going to be perfect on somebody else. I love Julia Roberts' smile, but you know what? I think she's the only one in the world that could pull off that smile. I have a young woman who had a lot of smile issues, and she had this great personality, but she hated smiling. And I knew the minute I looked at her, I could do something to transform that smile, and she's happier than she's ever been. There are basically 3 types of cosmetic procedures. One choice is to bleach them. A second choice is to put bonding or a plastic composite over the teeth. And the Rolls Royce of cosmetic dentistry is porcelain veneers. You have this one tooth here that's recessed behind the other 2 teeth. We could put composite bonding on top of your tooth. Pretty cool, isn't it? Some of these procedures are more expensive than others. Bleaching procedures usually range anywhere from $600 to $1,500. Bonding usually runs in the neighborhood of $500 to $700 per tooth. And porcelain veneers run anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a tooth. Smile so I can see those magnificent veneers. Most people do hate going to the dentist, but when it comes to going to the dentist to look better, they actually like coming here, and they love you for changing their smile. It's so rewarding to be able to do something and have people say, you are the greatest, as opposed to, get away from me with that needle.